Guess what day today is?
It's Valentine's Day for all you lovers.
And here's my present for you.
Because you love me.
Yes.
Amazon.
Fresh from Amazon.
I love stuff from Amazon.
Uh-huh.
What could it be?
What could it be? What could we get someone? Oh, it's a cabin air filter for the LS.
You're in trouble. There better be something else better later.
Yeah, you're putting it in. That's the second part of the gift.
Oh, okay. Well.
All right, let's see you put that in from memory because you've done it before.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I remember how. That is the question. I believe it's down here somewhere.
We have had this car now 2.5 years. I swear this is our 5th or 6th cabin air filter to change.
Yeah, why do we have to change it so
I
often?
don't know. It always tells us on the dashboard.
Okay.
All right. Ooh, look at she's taking it out of the plastic.
Yeah, I do remember
See,
that.
This is a great Valentine's Day present, I think.
Well,
it's fresh air. Look.
it is.
And it's carbon. It's got carbon in there or whatever
Airflow.
to stop it, whatever, from being.
It is.
You're right. There's that. Yep.
Does it go in here?
Yep.
Okay, I knew something about the
You might
glove
have
box.
to open up the door.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's back in there. There you go. Yep. There it is.
Oh, and then you just pull it out. Oh my god. I should just pull out. Why is it so freaking hard? I am honestly too cold to spend too much time. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I have to bring it down like a VCR tape. That's what I remember about it.
There you go. That's really good. Everything's harder in the cold.
Yep.
And now it goes back in.
I don't know. There.
There you go.
Do
Hit the
that.
click.
I just click it in. And this should just click back there. Not too hard to do, but did still take a refresher because we don't do it too often.
Okay, there's one thing we do have to do, which is reset it so you don't have the annoying dinging every time. You go like this, and you hit the off button. Here, show this.
Okay.
Hit the off button. And after 4 seconds, boom! Air filter reset. If you can see that.
Oh,
Yeah, that's our back alley.
yeah. Super icy. We got some more snow, a little bit.
It's ice now, but it was mush. I want to show you a video of when it was mush before. Spring in Canada. Weird. It's February. This should be a frozen wasteland. Instead, our spring melt has started early. Getting the car out of the driveway and through this back alley is hell on earth. Take a look. It's pretty disgusting. Look at Lake Erie over there. Disturbing. Gonna put it in power and take off the vehicle stability control. Yep. We're gonna go through. Let's power through that.
Don't get stuck.
Oh, that's why we're going fast. Oh. Oh yeah. Disgusting. And that's what it's like when you live in the north.